Sean Carlson, Blackjack 98 Enterprises. Today's date is Saturday, March 30th, and behind me is the sidewalk that I am cleaning. I was unable to get my regular camera out to do a time lapse, but you can see by where I had scrubbed already with the broom. I'd used my buckets, my push broom, and my purple degreaser purchased from Home Hardware a while ago. I've been just splashing it on here with the ratio and then scrubbing it into the sidewalk. What I'm going to do later is I'm going to go and get my pressure washer and a surface cleaner. It's a 24-inch Viver surface cleaner, and that will prevent the debris from falling out and spraying and hitting vehicles. All those nice vehicles. So the reason why I chose to work this early is to prevent a lot of people and traffic from getting hurt, damaged, or anything like that. So I mitigated that by starting very early, and I've been at this since 5:15 a.m. and just scrubbing down everything. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get my pump assembly and garbage can assembly, so that way I can pressure wash this, because there is no hose feed, and there is one right around here or here, and it's completely broke according to the person that I'm doing this for. So therefore that'll be the end for this, but I'm sorry, there will be no time-lapse video. This is our setup. Garden hose is being fed from these two garbage cans by a 1/2 horsepower pump, which will be fed from inside the building. Once this garbage can runs out, then I go to this one. Once that one runs out, then I fill them up again. The time right now is 7:13. Noise bylaw has been in effect since 7 a.m. As soon as I plug that pump in, that means the water starts flowing directly to the pressure washer. I'm going to bleed the water out, and then I can start it, and then I can start washing. So what I'm going to start doing is just the brickwork for the wand, and then I go down and get my surface cleaner, and the surface cleaner will be used for the sidewalk. So this is all pine sol, by the way. Right after I used the concrete cleaner, I went and put some pine sol on here just to make it smell nice in the entire area. So I'm going to knock on the window here and plug this in and get started. Okay, so it's 7:45, and I did the brickwork, and holy motherfucking shit, that son of a bitch is powerful. Holy crap, that is way more powerful than my 4200. And I got all the brick nicely done. You can tell that there's no more friggin' moss anywhere. Hey. And the nice sunshine enhances that beautiness. You see that little strip of concrete there? I went and did that too, to reduce the area for my surface cleaner. So now what I do is I use the surface cleaner for this part of the sidewalk, so it's not splashing around. The time right now is about 7:45 in the morning. I could not get rid of that graffiti, so unfortunately I washed those rugs there for those people. The Naruto sushi. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make several trips again, filling up these two water barrels. And as you can tell, this went down quickly. Like, I literally went through this one in less than 5 minutes. This one just a little bit more, but those two buckets were just enough to do the brickwork on this sidewalk, and it gushes. It's that my pressure washer, bastard ass son of a bitch, that thing goes through water heavily. I'm very happy with it. So I'm going to fill those up, and then I'm going to start doing the sidewalk here with my surface cleaner. Oh, that is the wrap, everybody, from that corner all the way up to that part right there. That sunshine sure magnified and make it look great. This is all rinsed out. I will say that I did 90% of a good job because this is the first time I've done something like this long. That's fine. If I had a video to show you how this worked, it worked very well. It did its job. My pressure washer I'm extremely happy with. That is so freaking powerful when you use the wand. Holy effing crap. It went through these garbage cans of water really quickly. I had to fill both of them up 3 times, which means 18 trips of those small buckets just to fill those big ones up. Ladies and gentlemen, that will be all. My name is Sean Carlson from Blackjack 98 Enterprises. Thank you for watching.